Hari Om friends, let's try and understand the different levels of happiness and which level of happiness we belong to. Not to be judgmental, but to be objective and raise ourselves from wherever we are. The base level is when you gain material wealth, it gives you comforts and security. So that is the base level of happiness. You feel happy because that gives you comfort, it gives you security. So that's the first stage of happiness, first level of happiness. Next level is the pleasures when through your physical body you experience, you contact the world, and the joy, the pleasures you derive, when your eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, through your physical body, when you contact the world, what you derive is pleasure. It could be an ice cream to anything you are craving for. From the physical level, what you gain is pleasure. At the mind level, through your emotions, what you get is joys. When your emotions are fulfilled, you feel joyful. Your emotions are catered to, you feel joyful, you feel good. At the level of your intellect, when your intellectual ideas, your concepts, your thoughts are well received, there's happiness, there is satisfaction. That's at the level of the intellect. At the spiritual level, when you're able to rise above a desire, when you're able to transcend a desire, what you experience is bliss. It is uninterrupted happiness. So, there are different levels of happiness, friends. Which level you belong to? Are you at the base level of comfort and security, which passes off as happiness? Or one level, you're at the level of pleasures and you're stuck on that level. The many people are stuck in that body level. They don't go beyond it. Pleasures. Or at the emotion level, there is joys. And still, a sizable population is stuck at the emotional level. And there are few at the intellectual level, there is happiness. They serve, it is a very different aspect of happiness. And at the spiritual level, when you transcend a desire, you're no more a victim of desire, there is bliss. All these are equated to happiness. Comfort and security, pleasures, joys, happiness or satisfaction, bliss. All this is equated to are the different levels of happiness. And we have different roles in our life. Identify in each role which level of happiness you are experiencing. Let us move, if you are on the base level, move to the next level. And if you are on the level of pleasures, move to the joys. If you are on the level of joys, move to the satisfaction levels. And at the spiritual level, bliss. That's uninterrupted happiness. It's a beautiful state to be in. It's an attitude eventually you develop. You're not dependent on any source. There is a certain level of self-sufficiency you experience. That's the kind of happiness which we all should experience eventually. Otherwise, if you're stuck in the other levels, you'll always fluctuate. You're at times happy, you're at times unhappy. The way my guru says, it's like having a chocolate with the wrapper. At times there is sweetness, at times you're tasting the wrapper. So, observe yourself, be objective, raise yourself from where you are and get to the next stage, and possibly you'll hit the stage of bliss. Best wishes to you all. Namaskar.